guys, I have a surprise, but I want to show you, but it's gotta wait for like 5 seconds, so like, yeah. And there it goes. But I'm charging my GoPro, so wait for the next video. Crawling in the home. So I thought that was interesting. What I did do is I got like a razor freaking axle. I took my fusion bolt and my other one instead of running the freaking long freaking spacer in between like over here. And this one I was stripped, so I had to use vice grips to get it out. Like this, I just put it up like that, and I just had it on really tight. And then I just put that one in, that same one that was stripped, and I just put a different edge in there, just for now. And that's it. And got the tilt, and Bradley Pro scooters, yeah, I like it. Yeah, and I got my GoPro charging right here. Oh, I didn't introduce you to my fish.
Grumpy Bob. Grumpy old Bob. What the? Let me see if I look better. It's Grumpy old Bob. And then this is, what's his name? Rainbow. And then this is Catfish. And then, I haven't named those ones Scooter and Brad. Scooter, Brad. And, should his name be? Luck. No. Envy. Come here, Envy. Yeah, that's his name. Envy. Yep. So, that's, if you're wondering what I feed the little catfish things back there, I feed them this. I feed them algae food, and then for my beta, I feed them this. And those little guys right there, sometimes they eat this, so sometimes I don't even really give them sometimes algae, but once in a while, or like, because since I didn't feed the little ones last feeding time, I'm gonna feed them this time algae, so yeah. Grumpy old Bob. And then this is called the ricer fork. And it just says ricer, yeah. But yeah, oh my god. But yeah, I can't grab my RC car because I'll show you right now. I'm going. And oh, this is horrible lighting. Is that better? Okay, so you see that wire? That black wire is supposed to go in to there somewhere, and it's not there. So I'm just gonna get a new motor, take it to the hobby store, get the brushless, I'm gonna get the brush one, same thing, but newer and cleaner. So yeah. Hopefully they don't mention this long screw. But whatever. But yeah. Oh, and I also put blue spring on them. But this thing is pretty sick. I love this thing. You can see up there the shocks. And that's what it looks like inside. And you go back here, and then there's a motor.